Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to shuffle questions on Google Forms. So first one is go to Google Form, and now just simply go ahead and select one of your form. Now here guys, as you can see, we will have multiple template. So what you could try to do is just simply click on a specific template, and you can just simply move it into a different one if you want a different order. Now, if you have multiple options over here, like this one, as you can see, we have multiple options. You could just simply select these three dots over here, which is more options, and you will have here shuffle option order. And from there, it will save, as you can see. And after that, you should be able to shuffle it, and you can just simply select publish on the top right corner to save the changes. There you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. Thanks for watching.